Okay, so in this lesson we are looking at how to say who with that we do something, or who with that we did something. Now there are two important concepts. One is the particle called to. Okay, now the to particle in the past was used to simply say and when we list objects. Okay, for example, I like cheese and bacon and burgers. Okay, チーズとベーコンとバーガーが好きです。However, for Unit 6, another layer of definition you need to know that is also to is with. Okay? 友達と is with my friends. 家族と with the family. 先生と with the teacher. Alright? So, the first example. 友達と遊びました. What did you do? You played with your friends or you hung out with your friends. はい、number 2. 家族と日本に行きました. What did you do? You went to Japan with the family. Number 3. 父とゴルフをしました. You played golf with the dad. Excellent. Okay, number 4. 弟とケーキを作りました. 作りました is a new vocab. It is made. That's right. So you made a cake with your younger brother. Alright, number 5. What did you do and with whom? 日本人の友達と漫画を読みました. You read a manga with a Japanese friend. Okay, so that's using to tell people who you did something with. Okay, so the person has to go in front of to. The person that you do something with has to go in front of to. So the noun and the to. Okay, the next thing that you need to know is the particle de. Now, de is not a particle we use to say who you do something with, but rather it indicates where you do something and also the amount or the quantity of the number of people that you did the thing together with. Okay, so de is a particle that indicates location of action and also the amount or quantity. So therefore, if you look at the big head, the subheading, okay, it's one person. Hitori. Hitori de. So in hitori de indicates altogether there is one person. So therefore, in Japanese, to say that you do something by yourself or you do something alone, we don't have a word per se that says alone, okay? But we have to say that altogether there's one person who did that, and that person is presumably the speaker. So therefore, example number 1. 一人でケーキを食べました. That means you ate the cake, and altogether how many people did that? Just one person, and that person is the speaker, which is you. Therefore, you ate the cake by yourself. Okay, number 2. 公園で一人でサッカーの練習をしました. So what did you do? You did soccer practice, and you did that 一人で by yourself. And the first underlined part that says 公園で, 公園 is location. So therefore you should you need to know that the de after location means it's indicating where that's the location of action. Okay, so you did the soccer practice by yourself, and where? In the park or at the park. Alright, number 3, have a go. 家族と5人で日本に行きました. 家族と5人で日本に行きました. So you went to Japan, and how many people went together? Altogether, there are 5. But the first part, 家族と, what does that mean? That means with the family. So you went to Japan with the family, and altogether in your group, there are 5 people. So do you think that 5 people includes yourself, the speaker? Yes, it does. So therefore, I'm assuming there are 5 people altogether in the family and you guys just went to Japan. Okay, excellent. The last example, let's have a go. 友達と2人で街に行きました。Where did you go? You went to town. Excellent. Okay, so you went to town with whom? With your friend? And how many friends did you go with? Just one. That's right. Because 2人で indicates that all together, including the speaker, that's you, there are 2 people. So therefore, obviously, there can only be 1 friend. Okay. So I hope this makes sense to you. Please let me know if there's any question. はい。では、さようなら。